In this question, which is also about the bearing question, L is 5 km from M on a bearing 241. So let's suppose if we consider this is the point M, and L is with the bearing 241. Draw the north line on M. Five kilometer L from M with the bearing 241. So it means we know the straight line is 180. So this is 180 and this is 100, total 360. So we need to find 241. So what angle we add in 180, it becomes 241. So it is, let's suppose we say 180 241 minus 180, we will find, sorry, 241 minus 180, 241 minus 180, 61. So we need to find the angle 61, which is here, 61. Join these 2 points. This is 5 km given, and this considers a L point, and this rotation is 241 degree. In the second part, K is 7 km from M. Again, this is the starting point, but with the bearing is 331. So we know that the complete circle have 360. So 331 is less than 360, 29 degree. So 360 minus 31 give you 29. So it means if we find 29 here, this is 10, 20, and this is 30, this is 29 here. Let's suppose join these 2 points, we get the bearing from M to K, which is given. This is the total bearing till here, which is 331 degree. But if you look at here in this part, the first bearing from M to L, is 241, and from M to K, therefore this is the point K, which is 7 km. The bearing is 331, as given in the question, 331. Okay, so in the first part, he said find an angle MLK. MLK. We need to find this angle. It means if you draw this line, this is the line. Let's suppose I just do the dot line. So this is the line which joins this one and makes angle with L. So we need to find this angle. Okay. Now, how can you find this angle? First of all, find this angle. This is how much. If we observe this angle, this complete is 331, and from here to here it is 241. So 331 minus 241 give you 90 degree. So it means this angle is right angle. This is right angle. This is right angle. Now we need to find this angle. According to this is the hypotenuse, and this length is called opposite, and this is called the adjacent. So opposite adjacent, we can use the tangent formula, because this is the right angle triangle. This is this side, L to K is the hypotenuse value. Now in part A, we use tan inverse angle L equal tan inverse opposite 7 over adjacent, which is equal shift tan 7 over 5 give you 54.46, and we can round it, it becomes 54.5 54.5 degree. This angle, which is L, it is 54.5 degree. Now in the B part, the bearing of L from K. So this is the starting point. It means we find the bearing of L from K. So this is starting point. We draw the north line on K. This is the north line. We need this length, the complete angle. Okay, we know that the complete circle gave us 360, but this angle is 90. So 360 minus this one, we have 29. It means this angle equal 29, which is anti-clockwise, equal 29. Now these are parallel lines. And this is the transversal line. So this and this, these two lines are parallel. So these are parallel lines, and this is the transversal line. It means that the supplementary angles or the consecutive angles add up to 180. So 180 minus 29 give you 151. So this angle till here, so it is 51. So it means this angle is 100. This is 151. Now we know that on a straight line, we need to find this is the bearing L from K, but we need to find till here the complete length, but we have till here, we don't have this angle. So let's suppose this is 90 minus this angle, it becomes 90 minus this 54.5, 90 minus 54.5, which give us 35.5. 90 minus 54.5, 35.5. So 35.5. So this length is 35.5 degree. Now we need to find the complete, because the bearing, we need to find the bearing actually from K to L, so it means this is 151 and this is 35. So add these two values, this one, this angle and this angle, you will get the bearing from K to L. So 151 plus 35.5 give you 186.5. So 151 plus 35.5 give you 186.5. So this is the bearing. Because this is already three figures, so no need to put 0 before the number. Okay, in the last part, we need to find the bearing of K from L. It means we need to find the bearing of K from L. So this is the starting point now. This is the starting point. This is the north line. We need to find this angle, this bearing. But if you observe this line, if I extend this line here, extend the line, so it becomes 180. This complete is 180. So but the complete length is 186.5. The complete length of the bearing from K to L is 185, but on a straight line we know that it is 180. So how many angles extra for that? So 180 in C, 180 minus 186.5, which is give us 6.5. So this angle is 106.5. This angle equal 6.5 degree. or you can say 7 degree near. Okay, now if you observe the point, this line and this line, they are, these two lines are parallel lines, and this is the transversal line. The dot line is the transversal line, so it means the alternate angles are equal. So this would be equal 6.5 degree also. So it means the bearing of K from L, the bearing of K from L is 6.5. So in C also the same angle, it is the same angle because alternate angles are equal. The bearing of K from L is 6.5 degree, or you can say approximately, because this is not three figures, we can put two zeros before it, or you can round this number, it becomes approximately 007 degree. So both are acceptable answer, no problem. But if we go for from the beginning, if we round this number, it is 54, then according to this becomes, but at the end you can write in nearest degree, because it's very small unit, so that's why we put it in the whole number, nearest degree 07. This question is more interesting and complicated as well. It's kind of challenging question, but you have the solution here. Okay, in the next question, and for this session is the last question of it. The bearing of ship S from the lighthouse A is 55 degree. So it means if we have the ship A from the lighthouse A, let's suppose this is the point A. We draw the north line here. This is the north line. Okay, the bearing is 55 from the particular point, which is point A, which is 55 degree. 55 is somewhere here. Draw the line. This is 0.55 degree. Now S is somewhere here on the point. This is S point, for example. The bearing of ship S from the lighthouse A is 55. A second lighthouse B is due east of A. So it means this is the point. We know the compass. This is north from this point. This is north from this point. This is east. This is west from here, and from downward here from this point is south. So it means if the point is here, so right side is called the east for this point. So the east is, this is east, which is point B. B is due east of A. The bearing of S from B, it means this is the starting point, is 302. So make the north line here on the starting point. So we know this is the common rule. Whatever the starting point, we make a line, north line in it, and we rotate clockwise. So now given the value is 302 with S, so it means this is the total angles 360 around a point. How many units less than that? So 360 minus 302, which give us 58. Or you can say how many angles we add in 270, we can get the next angle. Let's suppose if we say 270 plus how many angles? 270, 302, it becomes 32. So it means 32, if we add 32 degree and 270, I get the total angle, which is 302. So it's up to you. Either you can subtract from 360 and find 58. So 58, that's what this is 50, this is 58 here. Even if you go for a 32, so if we add here, so this is 270, 280, 290, and 290, 300, 302. So the angle is same. So it means the point somewhere here. Either come this side and this side. Because the rotation is clockwise, we just find out the point to draw the line here. Let's suppose this is the point, so this is the S point. Okay, and now this is the rotation, which is 302 degree clockwise. Now this is 55. We know that this complete length is how much? 90 degree, but we are given till here, so it cut the line this 90 degree at the angle 55. So how much the left here? So 35. 90 minus 55 give you 35. It means this angle is 35 degree. So this is 35 degree. Now we need to find actually S. We need to find this angle. We need to find angle S, because the angle stand on always on the middle ladder. So this is angle S. So this angle is this is till here 270, because from the north, if we rotate shape, we have here 270. So it is just 32 degree extra 270. It means this angle is 32 degree. We know total angles in a triangle add up to 180. So 180 minus 35 minus 32, because total in a triangle is 180. So minus the rest of the angles, you can find this angle, which is equal 113. 180 minus 35 minus 32 give you 113. So 113 degree. Hope these video help you to find out the bearing question. So if you have any more questions, you can inbox me. Thank you very much.